Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be just a short video just to kind of show you guys a little tip. Everybody knows that Yamahas are famous for their cheap plastic fuel pump casings to crack anytime the bike's in an accident or if you're moving the tank around and snap things off. This is from the R6 project that we were building, the 07. What had happened is the whole flange had broken off down here, and so I went ahead and put a brass barb inside there with the compression fitting to make sure that it didn't leak. And then I went ahead and heat welded all the plastic, and it held for a while, but then it started leaking once I just did the valve job on the bike by taking the tank off. So I wanted to show you a way for all you guys to easily fix this headache. I know everybody's tried JB Weld and everything else. Nothing sticks to it. In fact, underneath there you'll see a layer of JB Weld that basically did nothing. Does not hold up to gasoline. One thing it does though is this floor sealer. This is actually from Sherwin-Williams. It's more or less just kind of like clear coat car paint. If you smell the urethane, it smells identical, but it is gasoline resistant. So what I'm doing is I went ahead and I took a little bit of that and a little bit of clear coat hardener and a bunch of metal shavings. If you look inside here from my CNC machine, it made kind of a paste. And what we're doing is we're letting it kind of harden up, and we're just slowly painting it on here. Now I went ahead and tried just the urethane when I first did this project without the metal in it, and it actually did work, so it did hold. But the idea of the metal shavings is to give it just basically a little bit of rigidity. Now keep in mind, this is for those of you like me that are butthurt over the fact that it's 350 bucks for a fuel pump when there's really nothing wrong with the pump. It's just the lower plastic piece, and they don't sell that separately because they know they're going to get 350 bucks. So this is a temporary fix. I'm not saying this is long term. I'm not saying race your bike with it like this, but it does work. It does hold. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick tip on how to kind of do this. Again, it's just a urethane floor sealer, a little bit of hardener to get it to harden faster, and some metal shavings. So I hope that helps some of you guys that are out there dealing with this problem. Good luck with it. Stay tuned for the next videos. Appreciate you watching.